Oh, good afternoon, everybody. I've got to admit something here. I guess I lied to you. Oh boy. Yeah, I said I was going to put off pruning the rest of my trees for a couple of days. I walked out here this morning and looked at these mango trees, and guess what? I just couldn't resist. Kind of finishing up what I had started. So I started pruning most of the rest of my mango trees here. And kind of looks like they came out pretty good. Yep. I've taken most of the height out of them. Need to do probably a little bit of trimming here yet. Even the short little one here did a little bit, not much. I'm probably going to do just a little bit more on this, but and I've got one tree here that has never done that well. Pretty bare. I will probably just do a little bit of trimming and see if it'll bring it back to life. And of course take a walk back up the way here. And you can see the trimming I did to the trees here. Oh, and now that I look at them, there's still a few tall branches up there I should probably cut back and that, but boy, I took out a bunch of wood again on all these trees here. So overgrown with wood. You can tell here how much thick wood is in the tree. And here I should, oh yeah, there are some branches here. Now that I see I need to take out a few more branches and kind of thin it out a little bit more here. Probably too many green leaves on this one, but wow, these trees were just so overgrown, and like I said, the wood just got so far out of line here. Really need to cut back. Really need. Yeah, but they look so much better than they did. So sorry, folks. I didn't mean to lie to you. I had every intention of taking a break from the pruning for a couple of days, and I came out here and I always do that every morning. I walk the property every single morning and kind of look what needs to be done today and what we should do. I'm still, as I walk over here, I'm still absolutely amazed, and I hope you can all see it. See if I can get a better look at it here by the size of the heart here. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, let me get it in view here. Okay, the size of the heart there from one of our banana trees right on the edge of the mango field here. Pretty amazing. Every once in a while we'll get a heart that is just absolutely incredible, unbelievable how big it is, and then how many rows of bananas actually come off that. Okay, I kind of got a kind of a push button here in order to telephoto feature here. And as you can see here, Doro is raking up leaves and bagging up leaves here again. And that's something, oh gosh, I think we do that most every month is rake leaves. If you can kind of look at all the leaves, all the trees here, and they lose their leaves constantly. Sorry there, my tongue got tied up in my teeth. They lose their leaves basically constantly. They're green and growing all year round. Here's the pile of branches in that. We're going to have to kind of go through there a little bit and take some of the wood out of here. But the pile that we took from the mango trees this morning. And you can see by just kind of panning through here, the leaves never stop falling. The trees never stop growing. It's kind of pretty consistent, which for me and my compost piles is excellent, because at least once a month go through, rake it up into piles, and Doro's still going through that right now, and he'll bag that up, and we'll put the bags up here. And then what I like to do is when we remove pig dung, and that, because we don't have any rice hay to put in there, we put some rice hills in. It's almost like a slurry when it comes out of the pig pens here. What I'll have him do is just lay it on top. We'll spread out the piles here a little bit, lay it on top, and then I'll put some more dry leaves on top of that. Keep the sun off in order that, because the sun here, like I said, it's a pretty hot day today. We do have a little bit of a breeze here, which is the most fortunate thing on the choice of our land. We've got a breeze almost every day. And we'll put that leaves on the top so it doesn't dry out, and build up the compost piles here. So, and they're looking pretty dry now. Like I said, 2 or 3 days now without any rain, and clear blue sky, as you can see. Boy, it just sucks the moisture out of everything. Sometimes you wonder, it's amazing how anything can grow here, and it's definitely why we have really little to no softwood trees and all hardwood trees, because as you can see in the background, all the tall trees there, as I kind of walk around. No such thing here when we came here. As you clean out the jungle, and it's a good idea for anybody considering moving here, you got some jungle on your property, clean it out. Clean out the scrubs, and there's just a lot of scrub brush and everything like that, and you will see your trees absolutely take off. And when we came here, this spot was here. There was a jungle spot right there, and the trees were probably as third high with the height that they've got now. It's absolutely amazing that once you clear out the jungle and leave individual trees, and of course all these can be cut for wood in the future to use on building projects that we might have. And Doro's gone through and raked a lot of the leaves here, and we do nothing else here. We put no fertilizer or anything else here, but as you clean out the jungle, like I said, the trees will grow and they can eventually be used, the wood, for building projects that you might have. Okay, so I just thought I'd show you what I did today. Didn't mean to to lie to anybody out there. Just got the urge this morning and decided to kind of finish, and I'm not quite finished. I can see going through here now that I'm going to want to do a little bit more trimming. And there's one really big one in here. And again, you can see how I was pretty drastic on cutting this back right here. This was so overgrown, pretty incredible. And now it looks pretty reasonable. So, yeah, I'm going to say goodbye for now. Kind of panning around here. Always busy. Always something to do. Heading back up towards the house. Like I said, just another typical day of garden and farm. And hope you all enjoyed. And I'll say goodbye for now. And God bless, and everybody have a good day.